You see the new mode on the Aether 450X, the maximum speed I'm able to do is only 21, 22. Advantage of having a scooter. I can feel the heat. Looking forward to that video where I share my transformation. It's something that people thought was impossible for me. YouTube also thanks creators with an award. So do you want to help me unbox it?
Yes. I will just be like, okay. Doesn't even know how to play YouTube, you know.
Like, I miss him every day. This is the first in their life. Hey guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are and when you're watching this, welcome to a new vlog. Back on my lovely Aether. You see the new mode on the Aether 450X, that's a smart eco mode. So you get the best of performance like in the ride mode, the top speed around 60 to 65 kilometers per hour, and then you get the best of the efficiency from the eco mode. I found it little buggy. Mind you, this is a beta feature that's there on the Aether 450X. This is an uphill section and the throttle's at the full. The maximum speed I'm able to do is only 21, 22. If I put it in ride, I can easily increase the speed. So there are some limitations with Smart Eco, but I think once you start riding for a short distance, BMS learns how your riding behavior is and then gives you that extra boost when it's available. Like, I think you get that extra boost when you brake or use some regen. As you can see, the bar is still in red color. For it to become blue, you have to brake a bit. So in peak traffic, Smart Eco might work out well. So you see that bar at the right side, right? It went from red to a combination of red and blue and then full blue. So there are basically 3 levels of Smart Eco. When it's full blue, you have some extra power available, and that's when the top speed can go up to 60 to 65 in downhill sections. Like now, even in the uphill section, I could go as high as 50 kmph. So that's the smartness of the Smart Eco mode. Anyway, been a while since we did a motor vlog on the Aether. Wanted to show you guys the new Smart Eco mode feature. I think there are some pros to it, but they need to refine it a bit more and add probably more regen. The trick with this is you have to keep it in the blue section. That's when you have the most power available. Advantage of having a scooter. What I can't explain is when the bar goes down to red or medium level. Like I was accelerating around 50 to 60 kilometers per hour and still the bar is blue. So it's showing me that there is more power available. I know the feature is in beta, but they need to make it more intuitive here. Like it is hard to understand when it's going to go down or when you're going to have more power available. As you can see from the screenshot, the efficiency in sports mode is much lesser than the Smart Eco mode while I was maintaining similar speeds. So I think that's more usable in the city than the Eco mode, because in Eco mode, I had to change it to ride whenever I wanted to overtake. And people were complaining it's also not the highest range possible. Anyway, don't mind the avatar just coming from the gym. This height was comfortable in the morning when I was coming to the gym around 8 o'clock. But now it's almost 11 and I can feel the heat. That's why trying to find some shade to ride the scooter. If you're wondering what's this ice pack for, just had a very intense session today at the gym. Trying to reach my goal of losing some weight while building strength in my body. And I think I'm well on the way, but because of the trips in between that I had, the Kashmir trip, and also some cheats here and there, it was not progressing as fast as I expected. So this week, pushed it a little bit. Nothing major, just slight soreness. So ice helps big time. Looking forward to that video where I share my transformation. It's in process. I need to story build quite a bit, because you can't just put like before and after. There has to be a story. Last time I went to a gym before this last 3-month period was during 2018 when I was getting married. I wanted to look little lean for the photos, that's it. And before that, maybe what, 2015, 14, I don't know. And whenever Shriman and all were talking about that, I was like, is it required? You need to enjoy life as it is. if you still want to lose weight, just go for a run. I used to do that, but after a point you hit a plateau, so you need to change your workouts a lot. If someone like me who is not into gym workouts and diets has gone through a 90-day journey, and I think 90 days is a minimum amount of period required to acquire a hobby to transform, then I think it will be motivational to a lot more people who are struggling with their weight and lifestyle. And what better way to share it than on YouTube, because it's a free platform, everyone can see the video and it can reach the entire world. The recent 100k milestone was a big achievement for me. It's something that people thought was impossible for me. It's something people made fun of me. I still get crazy comments comparing me to so many people. I still get free gyan saying you do this, you'll reach there and that. I'm happy where I'm at. I mean, I'm happy enjoying making content and editing it. And I have to thank all the 106k subscribers approximately who have been amazing so far. Just like how you support me for my efforts on YouTube. YouTube also thanks creators with an award or an appreciation when they reach certain milestone. So I got the 100k silver play button. It's been lying in my house at a corner for 3 weeks and I was like super keen to unbox it every day that I see it. But then there was a lot of content that is due, which finally finished by the end of last week. So this week was the time I thought, let me unbox it. And I'm super excited to see how it looks in person, man. I've seen all the videos and the excitement of various creators, but this is the first time I'm receiving something like this. And we have a special guest to unbox the silver play button. Shall we call her? We will sit there and do. Yes! Hi Aradhya.
Hi, Mama.
So do you know YouTube gives like awards for people who reach a milestone?
No, I never heard of it.
So this is my award. So I got a silver play button.
Wow.
And for reaching 100,000 subscribers, and this is the award they sent me. So do you want to help me unbox it?
Yes.
Itu side nunchi
Okay.
itla
Okay.
slowly. Chalu. Again here.
No, the other side.
Be careful. Slowly.
Okay.
Yes, go ahead. We got a letter, Chico. Let me read the letter. They take a lot of effort in giving this to all the creators. I'll just leave it here so you can read it. But more to go for us. We also got a card. Congratulations on your subscriber milestone. We are honored to take part in recognizing your achievement and want your experience. This award was inspected and packaged with great care by Rick. Thank you so much, Rick. Really appreciate it. Do you want to present it to me like in an award function?
Okay.
Lift it. Thank you.
Welcome.
Yes. Whoa. Looks so good here. How is it, Chico?
It's good.
This is my first award, you know, ever. Naku Neelaga school lo kuda awards rale. Go show it to Mama. We'll see her reaction.
Mama will just be like, okay.
What?
Mama ki certificate వచ్చింది YouTube ది.
నాకు ముందే తెలుసు
100,000 subscribers కి.
అబ్బో 100,000
1 lakh.
తెలుసు నాకు అందుకని చూస్తున్నా
అది సిల్వర్ ప్లే బటన్ అంటారు.
అవును నాకు తెలుసు.
ఎప్పుడు ఎవరు చెప్పారు?
అబ్బో అవన్నీ నాకు యూట్యూబ్ లో అన్ని తెలుసు. ఏది
Mama doesn't even know how to play YouTube, you know. Mama doesn't even know how to like press some buttons on YouTube.
Okay.
She takes my help to pause it and play it as well.
You're smarter than
కంగ్రాట్స్
Mama.
మామా కంగ్రాట్స్.
Thank you. So next gold వస్తుంది, ఆ తర్వాత ప్లాటినం వస్తుంది.
ఓ
ఎక్సైట్మెంట్ చూడు గోల్డ్ అంటే.
గోల్డ్ అంటే ఇచ్చేయమండి, నీకు ఇచ్చేస్తాడులే.
సిల్వర్ తీసుకో కావాలంటే, నేను గోల్డ్ పెట్టుకుంటా.
You have to take it.
Okay.
It's yours.
Another person who would have been very proud of this achievement is him here. Like I miss him every day. Like man, all that talk about my father gave me some tears in my eyes, but truly miss him. Truly, like if there is anything I would love to have again for a day, because I don't know how many of you seen this movie Bommarillu, but he was like the Bommarillu father till my engineering third year. After that, a lot of things changed in my life and he also adapted, but I always wanted to make him proud by doing my own stuff. He wanted me to take care of the family business, which is insurance. But I wanted to run away from the house and do my own stuff, figure out my own stuff. Tried it in US, then tried it in Canada. Eventually, his dream came true. By the time his dream came true, he's not here. And small achievements, even like I remember in my GMAT, when I was writing GMAT, I failed to get a good enough score in the first 2 attempts and in the third attempt. So I remember my first score was 480, the second score was 510, and in the third one I got 710. The average at that time, the average score of GMAT for Harvard University students is 710. So that was the first time I truly felt a sense of achievement in my life. Might seem simple for a lot of people, but cracking GMAT was the big thing for me at that time, because MBA was a dream and I achieved it. And he was so happy, and he was so happy during my graduation that everything was set for him to attend it. It was in May, and somehow things didn't work out. He didn't attend. He watched it virtually with a bunch of like at least 50-75 people from whichever location he was at that point of time. He was always busy. He was working from morning 9:30 to night 8-9 p.m. So hardly was around. A lot of whom I am is because of him. A lot of who I want to be is also because of him, because I learned a lot from his life. A lot of things I want to do, I don't want to do, is because of him. So I would dedicate this award to him in his memory. That's the least I can do. Anyway, emotional ho gaya yaar. So let's see what else is in the package. You get this card. It says recognize your team by allowing your team to purchase a personalized creator award. To purchase authorized copies of your creator awards, or we can purchase copies also. If I have a team, I can give them also these awards. This is a solo man team. Thoroughly happy, thoroughly feeling the joy when I see these awards and milestones, and you're a big reason for that. So thank you from the bottom of my heart. And in case you're one of those who haven't subscribed yet, would love if you have subscribed. Chalo yaar, too much ho gaya. Too much of happiness, too much of emotional stuff. Got some work. We'll catch you guys in a while. You know, while growing up, cricket used to be a favorite sport of mine. Even now I like cricket, but not as much as when I was a kid. And my father joined me in a summer camp when I was around 12. And since then till I was 18, for 6 years, I was playing cricket almost 6-7 days a week. Every morning, get up at 5:36, hit the nets for 5 days, and then Saturday or Sunday we used to have a match for 20 overs, 40 overs, even 50-over matches. Then I played till I think district and state level at school level competition. So thoroughly enjoyed the time. And nowadays I'm hardly playing cricket or watching too, because somehow IPL wasn't interesting till this season, because Sunrisers Hyderabad playing really well. And that's a 6. And you know who is watching cricket for the first time? This is the first in their life. How is it?
It's great.
So you understood all 4 sixes, how runs and all are played?
Yes.
Okay. Having fun?
Yes.